Good morning. Do you hear me?
Good morning.
How are you? How are you guys? Are you still sleeping?
No.
Okay. My voice is clear?
Yes.
Okay. Firstly, let's remember what was explained in the previous session. Okay. In the previous session, we start with the first topic, characteristics and the classification of living organisms, and we say that in order to identify the living organisms, scientists are listed 7 characteristics which all living organisms have, right?
Yes.
Who remember the 7 characteristics? Who can them?
Movement,
Movement, adjustment.
Yes.
Okay.
Reproduction, nutrition, sensitivity, growth.
I said a word to remember the 7.
Mrs. Grant.
Excellent, Mrs. Green. Okay, so you can see you can say the characteristics about the arrangement of the Mrs. Green sequence letters.
Yes.
Okay, M for
Movement, and R for reproduction or respiration, and S for sensitivity,
good,
and G for growth,
good,
and R for reproduction or respiration,
okay,
and E for excretion, and N for nutrition.
good, excellent, Jasmine, good.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Today we are going to finish the rest of the characteristics. If I remembered, we start with the movement and respiration, sensitivity, and the growth, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we still have reproduction, excretion, nutrition, صح? Right?
Right.
Okay, so we will finish there. At the end of this session, I prepared an interesting quiz for you. Okay, so be ready. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's start with reproduction. The first question: reproduction affects on the life of living organisms, which means if the living organisms can't reproduce, it will die.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Another answer. Jasmine, you understand my question well?
The reproduction, if it's like if it's reproduced, can die or.
Yeah. I don't say about the concept of reproduction. I just say the person who can't reproduce, so this person will die.
Oh, no.
No, right. So you must know that the other six characteristics affects on the life of living organisms. No living organisms can't live without nutrition, without sensitivity, without excretion, without nutrition, without movement, and so on, right?
Right.
Yes.
But a lot of living organisms live without reproduce, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So the all the seven characteristics are the characteristics that living organisms characterize different than non-living things. But the first six one, except reproduction, exactly affects on the life of living organisms. Okay? So what is the importance of the reproduction process? Reproduction process is important for protect the living organisms species from extinction. You understand?
Yes.
Yes.
The species that can't reproduce maybe anytime it will be extinct, like dinosaurs, right?
Right.
So reproduction process affects on the continuity and still of the species of living organisms and prevent them from extinction. It's clear?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So, what is the concept of living organisms? Sorry, the concept of reproduction process. Reproduction process means progresses that make more of the same kind of organisms and continuity of their lives. Reproduction means more simple. A living organisms produce a new living organisms, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Through we have two types of reproduction. Most of living organisms or most of higher living organisms. When I say higher living organisms, I just talk about humans, animals, and higher plants. Okay?
Okay.
Higher living organisms includes all humans, all animals, most of plants. Clear?
That's in the reproductive reproduction, right?
Yeah.
All right.
So reproduction process occurs or classified into two types, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Humans, animals, and most of higher plants reproduce sexually means they are two living organisms, okay, reproduce to produce new offspring or new individual, male and female. But in asexual reproduction, the reproduction of bacterial cell just divide into two. Let me show you. This is the cell of bacterial cell, okay? It will
Okay.
divide it into two. We don't know the kind of this bacterial cell, male or female, right? But it divided into two. This is the parent cell, parent, P, parent, and producing new cell offsprings, okay? The
Okay.
type of asexual reproduction. You got it?
Yes.
Or repeated?
No, you guessed.
Okay, thank you. So reproduction means a new offspring produced by their parents or a living organisms produce a new living organism. As you can see in the slide, offspring are produced by the process of reproduction. For example, single-celled like bacteria. Single-celled like bacteria, as I explained and I show to you. Single-celled organism and bacteria may simply divided into two, and this process are called binary fission. The division or the reproduction process in bacteria are called binary fission, and this type of binary fission example of asexual reproduction. Many celled, which means higher plants, as I said, many celled plants, animals, human reproduce sexually. Okay, you got it?
Yes.
Okay, next one. Excretion. Excretion is a very important process and characterized living organisms. The person who or the living organism can't make excretion process, it must be done. Okay? The main concept of excretion, it means get rid of or expel out the wastes and poisonous materials outside the body. Clear?
Yes.
Clear.
So we have different organs. They perform the process of excretion. Who know these organs responsible for excretion or expelled out or right? Get rid of
The skin and
the skin, right? And
Kidneys.
Lungs.
kidneys, good.
and
Lungs.
Lung is
lungs.
good. There is another organ, or just the three, as
Just
you say? Mm. Lungs, kidney, liver, right?
Yes.
But no one of you say liver, right? You say kidney, lungs, skin, right?
yes.
But I say liver, okay? So they are full, okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay. Rapidly, lungs get rid of water vapor and carbon dioxide. Skin and the two kidneys in urinary system expelled out the excess water and salt and the urine, right? And liver get rid of the poisonous and toxic materials. You must know that. You must know that liver is very important organ in our body. The person who has damaged or affects its liver, it must be die.
So it means that it removes toxic materials and waste products of metabolism.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. And
Okay.
skin get rid of excess salts and water in form of what?
Of sweat.
Sweat.
Good. Sweat, right. So excretion means removal of the waste and products outside the body through different different organs like kidneys, lungs, liver, and skin. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Next one and the last one in the characteristics, nutrition. Nutrition or feeding. So what is the meaning of nutrition? Simply, the living organisms used the organic substances and minerals that containing raw materials and energy for growth and repairing tissues and assimilating them. Again, nutrition means simply, listen to me, pay attention, the living organisms need energy, right? So
Right.
the living organisms feeds on plants, feeds on humans, feeds on another because they're a predator, okay, and used this raw of materials to produce energy through digestion process and respiration process for burning this food. And we can classify the living organisms according to the way of feeding or their behavior to get their energy into three categories: autotrophic, heterotrophic. What the difference between autotrophic and heterotrophic? Autotrophic means they perform and makes their food by themselves. This this statements doesn't mean that they enter the kitchen and prepare the food. No, you understand? But it means they perform a specific process to produce energy from the outside materials. So the most common example of autotrophic or producer are green plants. Human, human aren't autotrophic. We are heterotrophic. But we just cook the food, not prepare the food. You got it?
Yes.
Guys, all of you got it?
Yes.
Okay. So nutrition, the process of obtaining energy from burning food, and we classified living organisms in way of feeding into two categories: autotrophic, heterotrophic. Autotrophic means they perform their own food by themselves from the beginning, from simple materials to get a complex materials. If you remember the photosynthesis process, it starts with sunlight, water, minerals, and carbon dioxide. They are simple materials, and at the end of this process, produce of sugar, and sugar is complex material. And the other kind is heterotrophic. They depend on other living organisms, especially on autotrophic, to get their own food. If you understand this point, you will understand that human depend on plant to get energy, depend on animal to get energy, animals depend on another animals to get energy, and at the end, animals depend on the plants to get energy. Whether the animals are carnivorous, herbivorous, at the end, they all depend on the plants to get the energy. So humans, animals are heterotrophic, but green plants are autotrophic. You got it?
Yes.
Yes.
All of you got it?
Yes.
Okay. So we finished the characteristics of living organisms. Are you ready for the interesting quiz? It's funny. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, all of you,
Yes.
please open your mic. Pay attention. Do you see the
Yes.
page quizzes?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
I will start. Classic. Continue. Okay, all of you see this link?
Yes.
Join,
Yes.
okay. You must write it in another tape. Join myquiz.com. Okay. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up. If you finished, tell me. Open your mic, all of you.
Should we open this link or not?
Yeah, open and write this pen, the code, and your name. Just.
Mister, I didn't.
All right.
Ziad. I see you. Muhammad. Zobi. Mustafa Ghazal. Minna Said. Okay, okay. Hurry up, guys. Just 5, 6, okay? Jasmine, where are you?
I'm writing.
Okay. Angie, where are you?
Not working.
You have my wife name. Okay. The students enter the quiz, press start.
Where is start?
Okay, all of you enter.
لا يا مستر ثانية.
Okay, Abdurrahman.
No,
Yes.
wait.
Wait. Okay. Ziad, another Ziad. Abdurrahman.
Yes, I finished.
I can't see you, Angie and Jasmine. Where are you? Oh, are you afraid of the exam?
No, I'm trying to get in.
Okay. Just we have 7 minutes. Hurry up, please. Okay, guys. I will press start. Okay. It will appear in front of you, and then you press start and enjoy it. The counter appears in front of you.
Broth.
Who started the quiz? Tell me. Who started the quiz?
Me.
Me يا مستر.
Okay,
Me.
hurry up. We just have 6 minutes. At the end of the quiz, there are 3 places. The first, second, and third.
Is he?
Hurry up. Each quiz, just 30 seconds.
مستر أنا خلصت.
Okay. Just wait for others.
Okay.
Okay. Muhammad Zoghbi finished. Mustafa. Okay. Reem. Okay. All of you? Who still answered?
Me, Mr. Me.
Okay. Muhammad Zoghbi still keep the first place. Okay. Hurry up, guys. All of you finish?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
مستر I can't enter the quiz أنا مش عارفة بقى.
You see your arrangement? Who is the first? Zoghbi?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. I hope you enjoy this quiz. It's funny. Did you like it?
Yes.
Yes.
Who didn't like it?
I
Angie.
didn't try it أصلا.
Who said it? Who can try it? Who can't enter the quiz?
Me.
You want to skip away? Okay, guys. I hope that you understand the session and enjoy the quiz, okay? If you like it, I will repeat it again. You like it?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Nice to meet you. See you next session, inshallah. Goodbye.
Bye, Mister.
Okay. About the uploading of lesson materials on LMS. There is a problem to upload the files. So I don't forget to upload the files, but there is a problem, technical problem in uploading it. When it's solved, I will upload the files, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Goodbye.